Greetings from Jaipur, India. I just arrived here last night by train. I took the train from Delhi. It was about a 5-hour train ride. It was amazing. I would highly recommend it to anyone who's considering traveling by train through India. Right now I'm headed to the Pink City, the old city of Jaipur, and gonna head to the Ajmeri Gate. It's very loud, as you can hear. There's a lot of horns honking, but a little bit less crazy and less crowded than Delhi from what I've seen so far. And yeah, I'm gonna do a bunch of stuff here. Check out the Amber Palace, gonna check out the Nagar Fort, the Hawa Mahal, and some of the other main sites here in the Rajasthani capital. Let's see if we can talk to some people today, practice my Hindi some more, and just explore with no plan. Oh my God.
You're a big boy.
All right, I'm coming up to the gate of the old city right now. It's supposed to be pretty impressive, the Ajmeri Gate. Bye-bye. Namaskar. Namaskar. Wow. Pretty busy this time of day. What's up?
What is this?
Camera. Camera?
Camera.
Microphone. Photographs, videos. Tripod. For selfies. Take photos. This twists so it can move around and then locks in place. So microphone so you could talk into it, and then camera so you take photos. Yeah? Okay, shukriya. So that was interesting. The officer was clearly interested in the camera, microphone. I guess it could look suspicious. One guy in Delhi, I was holding it out, he thought it was a gun, he said in Hindi. He was scared. So gotta be careful with that, but no issues here. But this is the main stretch after the Ajmeri Gate. You walk in, it's lined with a bunch of shops. Probably this is where the tourists hang out, but I think this is the example of why they call it the Pink City, because of what the buildings are colored as. Oh boy. Oh boy. I broke this off my tripod, but I think it pops back into place. All right, the tripod is somewhat fixed now. I think I'm just gonna head down this main street. So you can see right here, Holi festival is in a few days, which is the festival of color. And these are all of the dyes that people throw up in the air and throw at each other. So you can purchase them here, it looks like. I wonder how much they are. There's nobody around to ask. These guys making a bike over here. Namaskar. 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 And one thing to note that you'll see around this time of year is all the squirt guns. So my friend in Delhi was telling me that it's a festival where you spray water everywhere too, this festival of squirt guns. So the children all get squirt guns and actually throw a lot of water balloons around too. We actually got hit with a water balloon in Delhi walking through one of the back streets. So just got to make sure to not have any expensive camera gear out around that time. But yeah, they throw color and water at you. So I'm coming up to the big intersection right now in the middle of the Pink City. Looks like any way I go, there's a bazaar. Namaskar. Hello. So here are my options. I think I'm gonna go over to the right though. Oh, excuse me. And here's more flowers for the celebration. Wow. Namaskar.
Hello.
Hello.
Gift.
Ah, no, thank you. That's okay.
Okay.
Ah, namaskar. Bhai Sahab. Bhai Sahab. Namaskar. Wow. Beautiful. Smells nice too. But I'm walking up to the Hawa Mahal right now. So I'm here in the Hawa Mahal, which is one of the main attractions here in Jaipur. You've probably seen photos from the outside. It's the 5-story building. It was built in 1799 under Maharaj Pratap Singh. And currently inside, there's the courtyard behind me. You can walk all along the top, and it's kind of maze-like. It was 200 rupees to get in, but I'll show the outside of it from the front, which is the coolest piece of architecture, I think, maybe in the old city. I believe right there on top of the mountain is Nagar Fort too. This is the top of the Hawa Mahal now. This is 5 stories up. Again, the Nagar Fort. City Palace is over there. You can see the minaret off in the distance. This is an observatory over here with the large structure, the large triangular structure with steps leading up to it. And that's called the Jantar Mantar. You may go check that out after this. Amber Fort, I can barely see off in the distance. That's about 11 kilometers away. I'm gonna go exit right now and head to the front and show you what the hype is all about this place. If I can find the exit. Alright, and here is the front side of the Hawa Mahal. Ah, now we see why it's so cool, huh? See here, this big crazy intersection. Don't know which way I'm gonna go. Maybe back towards the way I came and try and get on that minaret, get up top to there. I've found the entrance to the minaret. Sarlat. A victory pillar was built, which is known as Islarat and popularity called. So this is 140 feet in height, 7-storied and octagonal in shape, situated in the center of Jaipur city. Or maybe it's free. It might be free. Yes. Yes, sir.
Ticket, please.
Score. Oh shit. Now that's how you travel on a budget. Pro tip, always carry that student ID even if you've graduated. Just saved myself 190 rupees. That's how you travel on a budget. Yeah, 10 rupees if you're a foreign student with a valid ID. Valid. Made it to the top. Woo. Practically the tallest point in the old city and surrounding area, so there's nothing blocking your view. You have a 360-degree view of the city, and you can see all the forts in the distance over there. You can see the traffic down below, and you can see the entire city of Jaipur from here. Even if I didn't have my student ID, 200 rupees would still be worth it because it's only $2.70. Just insane views up here. Definitely recommend that. 200 rupees as a foreign tourist, or 10 rupees if you have a student ID. It's also open from 9 a.m. till 4:30, I believe is what I saw on the sign. Right now I think I might go get some lunch and see what the food is like. Hello my friend, namaskar ji. Bhai Saab, how are you? Kya hua?
Yeah.
Good? Well, nice to meet you. Have a good day. Namaskar ji. How are you? Good, good. Hello. Some of the friendliest people here in India. Oh, hold on. Okay. Some of the... Oh my... Okay. Hey! I was saying, some of the friendliest people here in India. Traveling solo is not as intimidating as one might think. Maybe as a solo female it may be a little bit more stressful, but most people are have good intentions and they're just friendly. They may want to scam you out of a little bit more rupees than what locals get, but as long as you practice that bargaining and negotiation and stick to your guns. And you might have to deal with a couple awkward situations where people are pressuring you to purchase items or take a rickshaw or take a tour. Just say no, 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 and you'll be totally fine. Hello, namaskar. Bhai Saab, kya hua? Aap kaise hai? Yeah? Good? Yeah? We'll take a photo together? Thank you, my friend. Good. Have a good day. Let's go down one of the back streets right here. See what there is to see. Namaskar. Bye. Kya hua?
Hello.
Hello. Good music.
This
I like it. Is it for Holi festival? Are you celebrating Holi? Cool. It's nice to meet you. What is your name?
My name is Sanjay.
Nice to meet you. I'm Tristan. Have a good day, my friend. Okay.
Speaking to Hindi,
मैं थोड़ी हिंदी बोल सकता हूँ.
ज़्यादा नहीं आती.
No, that's all I know. Good? Yeah? No? Not good? Bye. You want photo? You want to be in video?
This is a photo, is that?
Yeah, photo, video.
Video.
It's for YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube. Say hello.
This channel.
My channel.
Yeah. Name.
Not another travel vlog.
Yeah. Hello, hello.
Hello, microphone. Yeah.
Yeah.
Say what's up.
Yeah.
Say hello. It's recording.
Hello. Hello.
Bye. Kya hua? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good. I'm just wandering around the Pink City, Old City.
Pink City.
Yeah, just exploring, going to get a lassi.
So start.
Yeah. Lassi wala? Yeah, I'm gonna go there now. Okay, have a good day.
YouTube.
YouTube. Okay, nice to meet you guys.
Yes.
Bye. Nice to meet you. Have a good day.
Yes.
Irmalinge.
Yeah.
All right, so I've changed my mind. I'm not going to get food right now. I'm going to Lassi Wala to get myself a lassi. So that does it for today's exploration of the Pink City. I'm here for a few more days. Today was successful, saw some of the awesome sights that the city has to offer. Got to talk to some cool people, some super friendly people, practice my Hindi. Some people liked it, some people thought I needed some practice. So, thanks for watching. Peace.
Nobody's selling like. So what's going on?
Oh, that's very good. Wow. Sweet. It's sweet.
Tomorrow come and try the another one. I mean, like if you really want to know the difference.